Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I completed almost all the functionality in this Django blog application. Today in this video I will discuss how to connect PostgreSQL database in this blog application and how to migrating data from SQLite to PostgreSQL. So first go to the settings.py. In settings.py, here you see database default Django DB backends SQLite 3. This is the connection of SQLite in this project. Now here we create PostgreSQL connection. Write database equal to default post name. After that, user password, post port. Save it and now open SQL shell, PostgreSQL shell, SQL shell. After that, here press server, database is Postgres, port is 5432, username Postgres, and now give now password. Here you see PostgreSQL. Now here need to first we need to create the database. So to creating the database, first write create database. This is a blog application, so database name is blog. Now check database is created or not. To checking the database created or not, here write /l. Here you see blog is created, our database is created. Now we need to create user. So creating the user, here write create user. We need to give the name of the user. So name is Smith, and after that Smith with give one password also. With password is single colon and Smith 12. Smith 12 is the password. Now give clone, give clone and press enter, create role. So now user is created. Now we need to enter the database. This block to entering the database, here write /c. Our database name is blog. Give clone. Here you see you are now connected to database blog. User is Postgres. Now we need to create the schema. So creating the schema, we need to write here create schema blog schema. The name of this blog schema is blog schema blog schema authorization the name of this username is Smith. Give clone and press enter, create schema. Now we need to set the role. To set the role, we need to write here alter role, the name of this user Smith, and set client encoding to UTF-8. Give clone and press enter, alter role. Now write another line, alter role Smith, set default transaction isolation to read committed. Oh, sorry. Here write default like this way. Read committed. Press enter, alter role. Now we need to set a time zone. To set the time zone, here write alter role, the name of the username is Smith, set time zone to UTC, press enter, time zone also created. Now we need to set search path. To setting the search path, right here alter role Smith in database name of the database is blog, and set search path equal to blog. What is the name of our schema? Name of our schema is blog schema. So right here blog schema. Give clone. Now press enter. Okay, so now in this database we have table or not. To check this thing, right here /dt, press enter. Oh sorry, did not find any relation, means we don't have any table in the database. So now we need to write here name of the username, name of this database is blog, user name is Smith, password is Smith12, double check these things, SMITH12, and host is 127.0.0.1 and port is 5432. Now save this thing. After this thing we need to run the migration. Oh sorry, I forgot one thing. We need to install two things. One is copy here. Okay, we need to install these two things. Clear. Okay, after that copy this thing and paste, sorry, not here, paste it here and press enter. Clear this thing and run the server again. So you see we don't have any error. Now we need to run the migration. To run the migration, here write python manage.py make migration. After that python manage.py migrate. Okay, now again run the server. Python manage.py run server. Now check in this database have table or not. So write down, oh sorry, to check have table or not, again we need to you can check it by open the pgadmin 4 also. Open the pgadmin 4 Now refresh the uh, website. Here you see we have no any data, so we need to again we need to create the super user. Python manage.py create super user, press enter, admin, password is super user created successfully. Now run the server. Okay, here you see here is our database block, and in the tables here is all the tables. You see, now go to the go to our site, refresh, again refresh, and register. First registration, username is user is created. Now login. We log in successfully. Now we need to add the blog. Here copy one line. Our blog added successfully. Now create another blog. This blog also added successfully. Okay, that's all for today. Please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. And if you have any question regarding to this lecture, please leave a comment. I will try to reply all these comments. Thank you.